last outing we had with this WLTOYS, I ripped the shock tire off the back, and I broke the housing, the diff housing. So I ordered a new piece. I got a metal shock tower. Came with the front and the back. I didn't replace the front one, but we're just gonna take it out for another spin. Again, these are the Arlarlo tires, or crowball tires you can call them, which I did like, and I do like the way this looks. So, you know, looks like a pretty good setup. Again, cut short on my last bash session. We're gonna run it some more. I did notice this was causing some issues with the steering here, so I glued a little piece of foam there that'll block that battery from sliding up forward. Ooh. Tumble, lumble. Definitely tore that wing up a little bit. I'm gonna get a hard rubber, something to replace it. Something maybe the WLTOYS have. Sorry, ooh, what did we break there? I see that back tire bouncing around like crazy. Oh wait. We didn't break anything, we just lost. Oh, come on.